Oh, there's two now. That's cool. I wonder where they're going. Oh shit, which one do I follow? I see you. You're getting jealous, aren't you? My dog is getting jealous. Oh, look at them. Teamwork, teamwork. Love it. I wonder if these big ants are like the foremans. Are they in charge of these little worker ants? Oh, this one's cool. What's this one doing? Shit, that's not what I meant to do. Dang it. Lost my spot. Darn. Oh, here. I think right here. This looks familiar. If I was not on my hands and knees watching this, like, I wouldn't even know what was going on because these little ants are so tiny. I'm on 7.7 magnification right now. This is fascinating. Okay, my dog keeps getting annoyed that I'm not giving him undivided attention, but this is just fascinating. I'm going to back it up just a little bit because this is right here is like the 1%, 1 times. But when you start really looking, it's like they're all up to something. Like I don't think it's random what they're doing, you know? Ants are really cool. I think, personally, that they're spies or aliens with whole advanced civilizations under us, and we're too ignorant to realize that they're like as amazing as they actually are. It's not that I love ants, I just think nature's fascinating, but yeah, these ones are pretty cool. Oh, Chewy's watching them in the screen. Now that's funny. Chewy's my dog. They're so cool. I don't see any other big ones. This is what I was actually doing. I was actually taking a picture of that rock when I saw these ants. Oh, there's a good angle. Let's see what they're all doing here. They're so cool. Let's see. I think I'm gonna get my GoPro out and just set it out here and see what I capture. So if you like this video, I will link that video onto this one. Have a great day. Go out and get yourself into some nature.